there's time for one or two quick questions. Yes, sir. You need a microphone. Sorry to boss you around like this. That's just coming. Just patience.
You mentioned that there's upwards of, well, more than 500,000 participants in Biobank, right? And they were of a certain age range. I'm a participant and an independent researcher. But one thing that occurs to me is that as time progresses, and this is a long-term project, many of us will drop out through death, probably myself. And I just wondered, was there any chance in the future that new members will be recruited to replenish the pool? Thank you.
Rory.
I mean, it's a terrible thing to say, but death and disease makes you even more valuable to us. And as a UK Biobank participant myself, I realise that every day. So the first 10 years is, as I say, all work. Now the resource is really becoming increasingly valuable to study a range of different conditions with a lot of different data. So the resource will be of value for research 50 years from now when we are all dead. Researchers will be using this resource for a long, long time. But I think what UK Biobank has done is it's shown that it can be done. Many such studies on this scale just don't work. And through you see a few of us here, but actually UK Biobank has depended on not only the altruism of the participants, but the altruism of hundreds of scientists, particularly around the UK, who've worked out what questions to ask, how to take the samples and what samples to take, what measurements to make. There was a whole team that worked out the genotyping array. They dropped everything to do that. And the development of the imaging processes involved hundreds of different imaging experts around the UK and internationally to say, well, how do we image the brain? How do we image the heart? And so we've shown how to do this. And as a consequence, one consequence is that President Obama 2 years ago announced a similar project in the US, a precision medicine initiative, where they're going to try and recruit 1 million people. They've only just started. They'll always be 10 years behind us. But the fact is that resource will become available. And if you have many such resources in different parts of the world, then you can study an even wider range of exposures and of people, and on very much larger scale. So we've created a resource that we've been valuable for decades, but we've also engendered other resources that will allow even more research to be done.
Thank you, Rory, and I think we've got to move on now, so thank you very much, Rory and Nye. Thank you very much.